What are you dreaming about, Kori? Kori, what are you dreaming about? What are you dreaming about, Kori? What are you dreaming about, Kori?
Bad points.
Bad boys?
Points.
Bad twins?
Pants.
Pants?
Who's the points?
Whose pants? You're packing the points?
Yep.
You got your hand down your pants?
Yep.
What points are you packing onto what?
Sure I can fucking eat.
You wish you could be what?
Lock and load, bitch.
Lock and load? For what? What are we about to go do? Shoot somebody?
Yep.
Who?
1911.
Who are we gonna go shoot?
1911, that's what's locked and loaded.
Okay, but the magazine's in it, but who are we gonna go shoot?
Whoever talks back first.
Whoever talks back first? I agree. Were you just snoring? Is your hand down your pants? Were you just snoring?
No.
Not at all?
Nope.
Do you ever snore?
Nope.
Me neither. What are you fucking dogs crying about? What are you looking at?
Fucking crying, Greg.
Shut up, Willow. Get off of homie's 50. Is your hand down your pants?
Yep.
Were you just snoring earlier?
Nope.
Do you ever snore?
Nope.
Have you ever snored once in your life? No?
Leave me the fuck alone!
Why?
Swallow my fingers, bitch.
No! For the love of God, no.
Swallow my nutsack, faggot.
Same thing. You getting it in your hair now? You're getting it all over the couch.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, fuck.
Hairspray.
That was disgusting.
Make me a sandwich for lunch.
Did you drink a whole bottle of wine today, Kori?
Barely.
What do you mean barely? How can you barely drink a whole bottle of
I
wine?
got tired, we ran out.
Well, you drank the whole bottle though, right?
Oh, I need another one.
To your head, right?
Maybe.
What do you mean maybe?
I know.
Barely, maybe.
Nothing else good to drink.
No, obviously not. Except for all those beers you drank too.
2 beers.
Yeah.
Bottle of wine, 2 beers.
Yeah, those 2 beers. Is that your shirt and a pillow on the TV tray behind you over the heater?
Quit talking to me before I throw a pillow at you.
Oh, fuck. Look out. Please don't throw a pillow at me. Did you put your other hand down your pants now?
No.
Are you going to start snoring again?
Probably not.
Are you a hipster?
A couple good comebacks. But
What, like what?
like your mom knowing you're gay.
Does your mom know when you're gay? Is that what you said?
It sucks. Your mom's really disappointed she knows you're gay.
When was the last time you had a dick in your mouth, Kori?
Never have, but your mom's just really upset that she knows you're gay.
What was the biggest dick you ever had in your mouth?
Really ungodly of her son to be kind of a fucking fudge packing.
You're supposed to say my own.
Fudge packing homo. Sucks, dude.
Have you ever snored before in your life? Have you?
No.
Never happened? Oh. Look at how fucking good Willow is, Drake. Why don't you be like her? She just kicks it. Your ass is out of control. You didn't drink a bottle of wine. You have no excuse.
Okay.
Okay, good night, Kori.
Go to bed, bitch. Make me coffee in the morning.
I already made it for you, sweetheart.
With sugar.
Fuck your sugar.
Trigger ticks.
Oh shit. Guns are going off now? Look out.